This is accentuate the negative, investigation 2.3, homework number 48 and 49. When I deal with multiple numbers, I want to deal with just two at a time. So I'm going to start with the first two. I see 3 plus negative 3. I know that that is an additive inverse, which means that that equals 0. Now I'm going to rewrite the rest of my problem. I have 0 plus negative 7. On a number line, I know that plus a negative 7 moves to the left. Therefore, my final answer is negative 7. If I go to B, I see a bunch of subtraction problems. The easiest way is I'm going to change all of these using my algorithms into an addition problem. So I know that 3 minus 3 can be rewritten as 3 plus negative 3. I know this minus 7 can be written as plus a negative 7. Now I have the exact same problem that I just solved over here, and therefore I know that it is negative 7. For C, negative 10 plus negative 7 is a negative 17. Because these are both negatives, I know to add them and to keep the sign. Now I have negative 17 plus negative 28. Because they are both negatives, I add them and I keep the sign, which gives me a negative 45. Here, I want to rewrite this so it's all in addition problems like I did before. Negative 10 plus negative 7 plus negative 28. Now, this is the exact same problem that I had over here. If I look at number 49, I have subtraction problems I'm starting out with. I want to rewrite it into an addition. So I have 3 plus, this is going to become a positive 3. I am adding the inverse. The inverse of negative 3 is a positive 3. Adding the inverse is a positive 7. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 7 is 13. Over to B, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 7 is 13. For C, change them into adding the inverse. Adding the inverse. Adding the inverse. What can I conclude about the relationship between subtracting a negative number and adding a positive number with the same absolute value? What is the relationship between a subtract a negative situation and a add a positive situation? The relationship is that they are the exact same thing.